So what's up YouTube? In this video I'll be teaching you how I decorated this cake. Basically how I got this cake to look like this. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. So continuing with the video, I will just be covering this cake with mostly pink and blue butter icing. Yeah. So beginning, let's go. So I'm continuing. We would have to make some texture on the buttercream. So how we're going to do that is just using our palette knife to start the video. So we just use our palette knife to make inscription on it. I feel like leaving this cake like this, but then the client wants it not so like this. So yes, let's go. So yeah, this is basically it. You can stop the video. Yeah, this is basically it. So I'll clean my table and I'll come back with some flowers and some butterflies and a topper just to finish up the cake, basically. Yeah. So in finishing up the video, I'm just gonna put my flowers. First I'll put a topper, then I'll put my flowers, and we'll call it a day. Yeah. So some blue and orange. So all these small detailing, all these small color flowers. Can start the video. All these small color flowers. We just bring life to a flower. A flower setup, a flower composite. This is for composite. So you see. So I'm coming to the end of this video. I hope you guys have learned a little or a lot. So do want to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll catch you next time.